Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we'll be showing you guys how to do an in-place upgrade of Windows 10 to Windows 11. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need to do is open up Microsoft Edge or Chrome or whatever you guys like to use. And then you're going to go to google.com. We actually had to make a tutorial video because there's a few people out there that use Bing, and Bing was not being the most helpful. You're going to search for Windows 11 ISO download. It'll take you to their software download page. The download for the in place is exactly the same place as you would do for the ISO itself. You'll do the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You'll download it. Then you'll go to where you downloaded it, which is usually by default the installation folder, the downloads folder. You'll open this, you'll hit yes. Now, the first thing it'll ask you to do is ask you to get the PC Health Check app, which you can just click right here and it'll pull up a link. If they're not telling you all the ways they help you. You're going to download it right here. All right, then we're going to go to the PC Health Check Setup. And then you will accept the license agreement, which I do recommend you read at least once in your life. You don't need the shortcut, but we do need to open it. Okay. So you'll go to the PC Health Check, and now you'll have to do this Check Now, big blue button. Then you'll see right here that it meets all the requirements. This tells you what the requirements are and how exactly you pass it. All right, then all you have to do is go back to the installation assistant, hit refresh. And then once again, it'll tell you that you have good news. It meets the minimum requirements and it'll give you all these license terms, which you should read at least once. You'll hit accept and install. And then step 1 of 3 is downloading. And step 2 is verifying the download. And step 3 is installing. Now, it does warn you that they will restart your PC 30 minutes after they reach 100 on this screen. That's a good thing to keep in mind because the first time I did this, it kind of just did it. All right, so step 3 is now done. As you can see, it is starting the countdown now, but we're gonna go ahead and restart now. So this is step 2. It should restart a couple times, yes. This is where it does the meat of the setup. It did most of the installation already. Alright, as you can see, it's finally rebooting completely. And with that, we have been fully upgraded to Windows 11 using the in-place installation assistant guide on the Windows 11 download webpage. As you can see, with this fresh install, we will see how many gigabytes it is using. As you can see, a in-place upgrade seems to use about 38 gigabytes. Now this was a fresh install of Windows 10 to a direct upgrade to Windows 11, so there's no additional files outside of the default newest ISO from Windows 10. Now I do believe that is the end of our in-place upgrade to Windows 11. Let us know down in the comments what you would like to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.